Yo champions! This video is going to talk about the psychology of depression. I have studied psychology for over a decade and prescribed psych medications to patients with anxiety and depression. This video will tell you what is depression, symptoms and causes of depression, and medical treatment for it. My name's Ryan Long and this is the Unleashing Potential channel. Subscribe and smash that bell to not miss out on psychology videos to unleash your potential. What is depression? Depression is a mental illness that inhibits an individual's ability to function in life due to the person's negative feelings of sadness. There are different types of depression such as being bipolar, seasonal affective disorder, and postpartum depression. Some studies have suggested that up to 15% of individuals may have depression. What causes depression? There are many different causes of depression. Unfortunately, people are sometimes more genetically likely to get depression, but there are other risk factors including someone's environment and their psychological state. In my opinion, even if someone is genetically more likely to get depression, they can still focus on changing their environment and psychological state to overcome this depression, or at least make it more manageable. What are the symptoms of depression? We have all seen someone who looks sad and depressed, but sometimes depression can have symptoms that are not obvious to other people. This can include feelings of emptiness or helplessness, appetite changes, tired all the time, easily angered, sensation of feeling worthless, isolating oneself from friends and family, sleeping problems, focusing problems such as inability to study well for school or function well at work, lack of joy with sex or hobbies, and suicidal thoughts. Do understand that you do not need all of these symptoms to be depressed, but can just have a few of them and be clinically diagnosed with depression. Is depression bad to have? Yes, it is terrible to have. Every single person who doesn't bring misery onto others deserves to be happy and free from depression. Depression causes people to not reach their full potential in life. Students who are depressed have a much harder time achieving high GPAs. Employees who are depressed tend to perform worse and get passed up for raises and promotions. People with depression tend not to have the social life they deserve to have and often end up living a life of regret. What is the medical treatment for depression? There are many different treatment options for depression. One option I highly recommend is to talk to a cognitive behavior therapist, which is different than a usual therapist. A CBT therapist can help change your beliefs and outlook on life and make you feel better about yourself and situation. Another medical option that is a little bit controversial is the use of medications. I have been prescribing psych medications to patients for years. These things do not cure depression and are just a band-aid for someone to function while having depression. As long as you don't have side effects though, I think they are a very good option to help someone get through depression until their life situation is better. But if they choose to stay on it, that is completely fine as well. Other options include exercise and having a healthy body weight, which has been proven to reduce the severity of people's depression. I also highly recommend getting more sunlight since long periods of time without sunlight can cause depression. Most importantly, many people have depression because they have problems in life they never fixed. If someone feels depressed due to not having a job, they need to start working in order to get rid of their depression. If you learned something new about the psychology of depression from today's video, then make sure to subscribe to the Unleashing Potential channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Now, I want to turn it over to you. What new fact did you learn about today? Is it A, depression is extremely common, or B, medications are just band-aids for depression? Let me know now by leaving a comment below right now. Click above for the next video, and please let me know if you have any video suggestions below.